Hey viewer, it's an image. I will try to make the addition use the curve there. Let's make the changes used to edit a suitable image there. Pick up some filter from the filter gallery. Use the designs. Explore the changes. Dark intensity. Light as well. So let's pick up the changes there. Make an adjustment. Color there we are. Add some other designs to use it. Also make the changes using a camera raw filter.